Good morning, everybody. It's Saturday morning. Not feeling too good this morning. We had to cut short my little trip out last night. We got a drinking because I started to feel a little bit sick and a little bit of stomach ache. And I woke up this morning and I felt not too bad actually, but as soon as I got up and started moving about, I'm starting to feel sick again. So I'm sitting down and I'm going to try and get a cup of coffee inside me. Just see what happens. Looks like I've got what Michelle had the other week, which is not fun. But I made Michelle speak to the camera while she was ill, so it would be unfair for me not to speak to the camera while I'm ill. But having said that, morning.
Morning.
How are you?
Not bad, you?
Well, not brilliant. One thing I must say, thank Michelle for coming out and picking me up again last night, because the plan was to drop me off. I'd stay over at Gary's, and Michelle has a girly night, drink a couple of glasses of wine. But obviously that didn't work out. And kindly came and picked me up, so I was able to be here because I would rather be at my own house if I was going to be sick, which is what I felt like I was going to be. I still feel like I'm going to be sick this morning. It's weird. I was alright when I lights.
It's sort of sitting right under your diaphragm.
Yeah, and I'm feeling the throat. It's not a good feeling at all. However, on the upside, Michelle doesn't have to drive all around Aberdeenshire looking for.
Mortillion.
Cause you can't get it. Okay, just gonna have a cup of coffee now and start the day and take it from there, I think. What's your plan?
I think you're looking at it.
Pyjama day? I'm definitely having a pyjama day. Not that I've got my pyjamas on, but I'm going to have a slobby day where I don't move and I'm staying quite close to a toilet just in case. Which is not fun. Moving on. Okay, I know I've just gone through a big spiel about feeling ill and that, but I've decided, well, not decided, Michelle said try something to eat, so I was going to have a bit of toast, but then she pointed out we've got some pan of chocolate, and that takes me right back to the time when me and Michelle spent a week in Paris.
Yeah, because we used to buy them by the box.
Yeah, that was a good time. We went visiting the Louvre and Michelle got to go back and see one of her early adult wants, I would say. You were a child.
I was a kid. Yeah, I was a kid. I went to France with my parents on holiday, and it was something I wanted to see more than anything. And we didn't get to stay because we arrived just as it was closing. It was yeah.
I must admit, I wish I had the camera at that time because the actual look on Michelle's face when she walked into the square and saw the pyramid. It's not very often Michelle gets emotional, but she got very emotional. So way back to her youth, didn't you?
I did. It was brilliant. Thoroughly enjoyed both visits because I made him go back.
We actually have a picture of our house mascot in front of the triangle, so we're trying to get out, put up on Twitter later.
Maybe, yeah.
Yeah. Okay, I'm going to try and eat my pan of chocolate without requiring the toilet. Hopefully, anyway. Pan of chocolate and coffee. Oh. Right, that's Thursday vlog up. I just edited that and it should be up very, very shortly. I'm now editing Fridays. Excuse me, got stuff on my face dog. Editing Fridays and I'll take a slight break to watch the rugby. The rugby's starting in a bit. It's Scotland, Italy. Michelle's started doing one of her favourite pastimes. She's knitting a
Pattern's called 10 Stitch Twist. It's a blanket. Eventually, well, I've almost finished the circle that I'm making, and essentially what you do after that is you knit it in a spiral. So that's a circle, like so. Short row shaping, wrapping and turning, for those amongst us who understand knitting. And then what I'll do is I'll shape up 10 stitches and then start knitting round and round and round, picking up a stitch from the previous row every time I come towards the centre to join it all together, and it'll end up being a big spiral.
A big spiral of Doctor Who.
Oh yeah, I'm not really sure whether I'm going to do the switching rows like I'd originally planned. I might just use up the coloured balls and just have it like a big stripe.
Do you think it'll be ready for next Christmas?
Maybe. Apparently, according to this, the trickiest part of this pattern is the beginning. Once the spiral is established, it's really easy knitting and strangely compulsive. So, yeah.
Oh, right. Look, they've got a new Galaxy out. So Michelle's fancying the new Galaxy, but there's the new Galaxy S7. They're advertising on the telly quietly. I think it's the Galaxy Samsung Galaxy F7, S7, whatever. I'm waffling. Okay, gonna watch the rugby now. Do my usual trick, fall asleep probably. Wake up in between, probably wake up at half time. Think, oh, I'll watch the second half at least. Fall asleep and wake up at full time. Then do the same in the next game. But at least I'm not feeling it as sick as I was before. I'm okay if I stay still. Let's watch the rugby. Finished my editing now, and isn't it nice when couples can share interests? Just let you know, Michelle can't hear a thing I'm saying. They are noise cancelling earphones, and just listen to a book and just drowning me out. Brilliant. Anyway, watching rugby. Scotland are losing 3-0. Not a good start. Well, it didn't take Scotland long to get back into it. That must be like 30 seconds after I said they was losing. Try. Very good try.
Okay, so the Scotland game has just finished. Scotland won 34-20. I'm not entirely sure that Alan knows what the score is, however, because...
Smiles all round. Shame. Three tries in Scotland, we saw it expansively, but I think the crucial time must have been that period when they were down to 10 men. Finn Russell off the field, and they held up against Italy with their tails up. Yeah, it was exceptional defence at times. They were stretched. You could see from the top, there was overlaps. Players like Seymour coming in and making a tackle on Gorey. Italy had their opportunities today. There was three certainly missed opportunities for Italy, but it was all down to Scotland really scrambling and really working hard for each other. And because of that, because Italy really worked hard and put so much effort into it.
He's pretty much been snoring the whole game.
At last, I've done it. I've managed it. I've achieved. I've done it.
Done what?
I've stayed awake all the way through a rugby match.
No, you weren't. You were asleep for some of it.
No. I've just watched a whole rugby match. Mainly because at the first half, Michelle brought a wonderful tea, which I forgot to vlog, which was pasta and mince, and was that your own concoction?
No, it was bolognese.
It was a pasta bolognese, which was nice, until I bit myself. Well, one thing though, I'm still not feeling 100%. I don't think I'm going to be doing anything from now on. How are you feeling?
Fine. Thirsty.
You going to have some beers?
I did put beer in the fridge, so I might have a beer next.
I'm definitely not. No, I'm definitely not having a beer. I'm contemplating. I don't know whether to put a film on or go to bed. I can't make my mind up with both of them. But, I'll have a think about that. see what we'll do. It's time for us to go to bed now. It's really, really late on a Saturday night, and if you look, that's what it's done to Michelle. Us staying up till 25 to 10. Yeah. Both extremely tired. On the upside, I'm not feeling sick anymore, but I am going to take a big jug of Alka-Seltz at bed with me, I think, and take some omeprazole, and that's kind of it. Hey, Michelle's out tomorrow for the most of the day, so I'm going to be sitting here all lonely.
I'd ask you if you wanted to come with, but we're going to try and get on bridesmaids dresses, so...
Don't forget to take your camera for your vlog. The point and shoot, get it charged up. Okay, I think that's it. We'll call it a night. Let's speak to you all in the morning. Good night. And it's a good night from me.
And it's a good night from Lando.
Good night. There's one thing I forgot to tell you as well. Michelle carried on a chick flick watching today and relegated him with the computer by putting on
Top Gun, but he ended up coming through and watching it.
Not true.
True.
I got that busy.
True.
I actually didn't. I never actually got through to watch it because I was too busy. It finished by the time I'd finished editing the vlogs.
But you were coming to watch it.
I like the flying bits.
Uh-huh. You never close your eyes. I'm not going to sing. I am a terrible, terrible singer. Alan likens it to a cat being strangled. Don't you, sweetheart? Yeah.
No, it's better singer than me.
Dad, well there is that, but that's not hard.
My rapping's good.
Present rapping?
No, not even that. No, definitely not. My present rapping's definitely not good. Okay, that's it. It's time for bed. I think
Yeah.
we're going to settle down and get some snoozes. See you all in the morning.
Sweet.
Kept it up. And